Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a lead score on HubSpot, so let's get right into it. A lead score is basically a score which scores your contacts, your leads, and any companies you are currently working with, depending on how potential they are to be fruitful in your endeavors, and that is basically it. However, it is a very useful tool, which I do recommend you use to best qualify where to focus your efforts. Now, to do this, you need to go into your settings and you need to navigate to preferences. I do not have a paid subscription, which you do need to do this. So if I go, for example, into preferences, I won't have an option for this. I'm pretty sure I don't even have the preferences tab, as you can see, because I'm not at that subscription level. I'm pretty sure most of them do have it. However, I'll show you guys exactly which ones have it here on this article. The Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, Operations Hub, and Content Hub Professional and Enterprise work with this functionality. And to set up criteria for scoring, you just need to go into settings, go into properties, then click the HubSpot score or create a new custom score, and then click add criteria in the positive or negative sections to set criteria that will add or remove points from the score respectively. Then you can set a criterion and apply the filter, and the options depend on your subscription level. So the better your subscription, the more options you have. And to add additional criteria, you need to set the existing and then click and records will need to meet all criteria in this set to apply properly. So if you have two separate criteria, you will be able to deduct more points. However, if you add more criteria under one banner, they'll just deduct 1 point, and that is basically it. Then you can add criteria again to add a separate set of criteria and to change the number of points that are added or removed when a record meets the criteria. Just click edit and enter a new score amount and click set. And if you're creating a property for contacts, you can click test score criteria to test it and see what it is like. To clone it, you just need to go to the actions menu and select clone. To delete it, just go to actions, select delete, and once you're finished with everything, just click save, and that is pretty much all you need. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.